Welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to have you here again. And if you are new to this channel, we are doing keto and intermittent fasting on this channel. We are sharing our recipes, our journey, our weight loss journey, our experience, what worked, what didn't work for us, how to do keto and intermittent fasting on a healthy way. And also I am going to share very soon my workout, because I started to work out a week ago. I had 4 sessions already and I am very determined to keep going. I am trying to get lean and fit and have this nice muscly, womanish, feminine body after having the kids. So yeah, this is what we do on this channel. And if you wanna see these videos or wanna see more of our videos, then hit the red subscribe button here so you don't miss any of our videos. And today is very special. We are going to make a keto, low carb, no sugar, no gluten cheesecake, and it's very special. We are doing this for my mom, for my super awesome mom, because something very special happened this week. She got the news on Monday that she is cancer free. It's huge, it's like amazing, and she had, and the entire family had these emotions and pressure and stress in the last couple of months. I think it's 5 months, what was really like rough on the family. And on Monday she got the news that she has no cancer, she is good, and it's just incredible for us. I felt like so relieved. She is feeling very relieved, and she is doing keto, intermittent fasting, very low carb, like 10 grams of carbs. This is what she had for the last few months. And I promised her if she gets a cancer-free results on her last test, then I am going to award her with a cake. And she asked for a cheesecake, so we will do that for her today. It's very easy, very simple. You can do it with crust or without crust. I think it works both ways great. And I'm going to make it with the crust so you can see the entire process, how it's being done, but you can totally skip the crust if it's not your thing. And now we are just going to get started and bake. Preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. You need 1.5 cup of almond flour. And then you need 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, about that much. Then you need 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. This is Celtic sea salt, full of minerals. I will put a link in the description box below. Then you need vanilla powder or vanilla extract, and we are going to use 1/4, like this. We will add 1 organic egg. We will add our monk fruit. I will use 1 tablespoon. And we need 1.5 tablespoon of melted organic grass-fed butter. And now this is all the ingredients for the crust. And then with your food processor, you are just going to mix everything together. Alright, so this is the right consistency, and then you just wet your hands to work easier with this. And then you need the baking foam. I will link one in the description box below, like that one. And I like to put baking sheet in it so it's not getting sticky. I wet my hands, and now I'm going to take out the dough from the food processor. It really makes a difference to work with this dough if your hands are wet. And if it's getting again very sticky, just wet your hands again. Alright, and now you just spread it. You can spread it a little bit on the sides if you want to, but you can just totally keep it for the bottom if this is how you like it. I will just make it a little bit. And try to make it as thin as you can. Okay, good. So this is how the crust pretty much looks like. We are going to put this into the oven for 8-10 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. While our crusty is getting done, we will very quickly make the cheesecake filling itself. It's very quick. You just need one bowl, one mixer, and you mix up everything together. For the cheesecake filling, you need Philadelphia cream cheese, 16 ounces, and that's 2 of these big box like that. Very good. Then you need 2 eggs. I have eggs from a Danish farm. It's all organic, very nice. And you add just the 2 eggs. We add 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, like a flat teaspoon. Yeah, that's enough. Now we are going to add our monk fruit. I usually add half a cup, but you can add more if you like. That has 0 calories, 0 glycemics, not raising your insulin level, so it should be fine. So that's how much we add. And now we will add the secret ingredient. I like to use this brand. I will link it below. Beef gelatin powder has a lot of health benefits and is also holding your cheesecake together very well. Now you will just use your hand mixer and mix everything together until it's a smooth, nice texture. So this is how it looks. That bubbly texture is the good one. And I like when it's a bit sour, so I will make it into a lemon cheesecake with some organic lemon juice, not sweetened. I like to add quite a lot, probably 3 teaspoons will make it. And now we will mix it together. Okay, and now taste try. I think the crust is done. We did the filling in like within 8 minutes. And let's check on our crust. Perfect, this is how it looks. And it's perfect. Now we will just fill in the cream we did into this one. So now the cake back into the oven, and now you're gonna bake this together for another 30 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. Alright, so this baby is done after 30 minutes. You can see there is like a little cracking on the side. And this is how you know it's basically done. And now we will let this to cool down here, and then it's going to the fridge for 6 to 8 hours. And then it's ready to eat. I hope you like this video, guys. This was inspired by Dr. Eric Berg cheesecake recipe, and I am a big Eric Berg fan. We follow his healthy way of keto and intermittent fasting on this channel. And if you did like this recipe, hit the like button below. I put all the links in the description box below if you want to purchase any of the products I used in this video. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.